Kamakailan lamang ay inanunsyo ni Vice President Sara Duterte na ang British-Israeli lawyer na si Nicholas Kaufman ang tatayong lead counsel ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa kaso nitong Crimes Against Humanity sa International Criminal Court. Binubuo ang legal team ni former President Rodrigo Duterte nina Nicholas Kaufman, Salvador Minjadea, Harry Roque at ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Atin namang kilalanin ang legal team ni dating Pangulong Duterte sa International Criminal Court. Si Nicholas Kaufman ay isang international lawyer na nagtapos na abogasya sa University of Cambridge noong 1989. Isa raw siya sa mga leading advocate na nag-specialize ng international criminal law, supranational regulatory law at commercial arbitration. Kilala si Kaufman sa paghawak ng high-profile cases tulad ng pagiging counsel para sa dating empleyado na si Kalexti Marubshmana ng bansang Rwanda na kinasuhan ng crimes against humanity at war crimes noong 2010. Kalaunan ay na-dismiss din ang kaso ni Ibarashmana dahil sa kakulangan umano ng ebidensya. Bukod dito, naging abogado rin ni Kaufman ni Aisha Gaddafi na nagpetisyon sa ICC upang imbestigahan ng karumal-dumal umanong pagpatay sa kanyang amang si dating Libyan leader Muammar Gaddafi ng puwersa ng oposisyon. Noong 2022 nang hawakan ni Kaufman ang kaso ni Maxime Mokom Gawaka, isang dating militia leader sa Central African Republic na naharap sa kasong war crimes at crimes against humanity, ngunit natapos din ang kanyang pagiging counsel dito dahil umano sa conflict of interest. Bukod sa pagiging trial lawyer, isa rin daw legal strategy si Kaufman na nag-specialize ng litigation, crisis public relations at reputation management. Sa madaling salita, napanalo ni Kaufman ang mga kasong kanyang hinawakan sa ICC. Kilalanin naman natin si Salvador Minjadea, isang abogadong Pilipino, isang executive business government administrator na nag-serve bilang isang executive secretary ng Pilipinas nung magsimula umupo si President Rodrigo Duterte sa kanyang posisyon. Nagtapos si Minjadea sa San Beda College of Law noong 1976 at nakapasa sa bar exam noong following year. Minjadea began his legal career as a senior associate at Accra Law Offices. He then worked as a partner at Pecabar Law Offices, the law firm of Senators Juan Ponce Enrile and Rene Cayetano, before becoming manager partner at Minjadea at Belo Guevara Suarez Law Firm o MABGS. At kilala natin siya bilang close ally ni President Duterte at ng Duterte family. Minjadea is serving as one of his legal representatives during proceedings by the International Criminal Court accusing Duterte of crimes against humanity. Sino nga ba si Harry Roque? Si Harry Roque o Hermenio Harry Lopez Roque Jr. ay pinanganak noong October 21, 1966, isang abogadong Pilipino politiko at isa ding law professor. Naglingkod siya bilang presidential spokesperson ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte at party list representative ng Kabayan mula 2016 hanggang 2017 kung kailan siya ay naupo bilang spokesperson ni Pangulong Duterte. Harry Roque received his Bachelor of Arts, Economics and Political Science from the University of Michigan at Ann Arbor, Bachelor of Laws from University of the Philippines Diliman, and Master of Law with merits from the London School of Economics. Nagturo din siya ng 15 years sa University of the Philippines College of Law ng Constitutional Law and Public International Law. He represented also the victims of the Maguindanao Massacre and the family of Jennifer Laude, a trans woman killed by a U.S. Marine. Harry Roque was requested by President Rodrigo Duterte to be his presidential spokesperson. And on October 27, 2017, Roque was officially appointed replacing Ernesto Abella. Roque is a member also of the Advisory Council of the Asian Society of International Law and was president of Asian SEAL from 2018 to 2019. Mr. Harry Roque and his team represented also the victims of the 2009 Ampatuan Massacre, the Malaya Lolas, victims of systematic rape and abuse by the Japanese Imperial Army, the family of the killed transgender Jennifer Laude, and the family of the murdered environmental advocate and media man Jerry Ortega of Palawan. At ang panghuli ay si Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte Carpio, o mas kilala nating Inday Sara. Isa siyang politiko, abogado at naging bahagi bilang alkalde ng Davao City taong 2016, 2022, 2010 hanggang 2013, 2007 hanggang 2010 at sa kasalukuyan, ika-15 pangalawang Pangulo ng Bansang Pilipinas. Siya ay nakapag-aral sa San Pedro College sa kursong BS Respiratory Therapy at nakapagtapos taong year 1999. Kalaunan siya ay kumuha ng kursong Law Degree sa San Sebastian College, Recoletos at nakapagtapos noong 2005 at nakapasa sa Philippine Bar Examination. Nakatakda ang confirmation of charges hearing para kay President Duterte sa ICC sa September 23, 2025.